Hi buddies, welcome back. It's Anne-Sophie and today I'm going to show you how you can set up a fingerprint to unlock your Sony Xperia 5 Mark V. For that you want to go to your settings, go to security and then go to fingerprint manager. Now we need to enter our PIN first of all, and now we can set up our fingerprint. Use your fingerprint to unlock your phone or verify that it's you, like when you sign into apps or purchases. Alright, how it works. Fingerprint unlock creates a unique model of your fingerprint to verify that it's you. To create this fingerprint model during setup, you will take images of your fingerprint from different positions. Alright, so we say I agree. Before starting, hold your device normally, clean your finger and the sensor, and then touch the sensor. Okay, next. Now we want to find our sensor. So we move our finger a bit when touching the sensor. And now fingerprint edit. Fingerprint unlock improves the more you use it to unlock your phone. Verify that it's you in apps. Done. When we click on our finger one, we can name it. If we want to delete it, we need to click on that little trash can symbol here, or we can also add a fingerprint. And now if we lock our phone and want to get back into it, we just need to put our finger on the fingerprint sensor and then we're back in the phone. So that's how you can set up your fingerprint to unlock your Sony Xperia 5 Mark V. Hope you liked it, hope it helped. If so, thumbs up, share and subscribe, and I hope to see you next time. Bye.